It's my compressor. Right there are my horns. I have 4 of them. Let's go scare the fuck out of some people.
Okay.
I got the good now.
You good? Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
As good as I'm gonna get. Oh, dude, that's...
Ready?
Go ahead.
Did they jump?
Did they jump? Look at her eyes. Oops.
Did they jump? I'm ready.
Go ahead.
Thought the big guy was gonna juggernaut after him.
You whipped it! I'm too mature for that.
Good? Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit! You good?
Yeah.
What's up, brother? Oh shit! She's all hooked. Yeah. Oh shit! Stop, brother! Go. Go.
That's definitely a danger to traffic, though, right? To do that next to
Nope, go
to
forward a little
running
bit
cars.
and go. Go ahead. The dad jumped more. That's epic.
That just had better reflexes.
Go. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. What's up, brother?
Do it again, Batches.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you! I'm on TV! Yeah, man! What up? Yeah!
This will be on YouTube later, alright? Check. Go. Go. Zoom in. Get it outside the room. Yeah, brother! What's up, man? Hey, hey, hey! What's up? That was epic. You good?
Yeah. Oh my god, that was amazing.
Oh shit!
The same thing over and over. Father prank, lol. Elvenox, checkmate, DVK, Firewhip, welcome.